number of fake leads that you may get when you're doing an open house. You get fake leads at an open house anyways. People write down the wrong number on the paper when they sign in. So you're still going through that no matter what you do.
I'm so glad you mentioned that, because one of the key factors also is on the website we do forced registration, meaning that we force them to register to enter their information. And many agents have come to us and said, listen, just take off forced registration. I don't care. I don't want to force people to register. Let them contact me. And my response to them is, how many people that walk into your open house, if they're not forced to leave their information, how many would actually leave the information?
They won't.
Nobody would. Nobody would. Same thing here. Nobody leaves information. So it's pointless to not force them to register, because it's better off just to have them go somewhere else anyway, because we're not going to get their info.
Well, the chances are you're getting the correct info when you're doing forced registration with AgentLocator than you do at an open house when we were doing open houses, because it's not as if somebody could actually, you're not asking people for ID for every person that walks in and verifying all their email and phone number. You don't verify anything. So
exactly, and we get a chance to get the validation as well later on, because we can check that invalid number, and when they come back to the website, they're being forced to validate.
Yep.
And what I like about that method is we get them used to the website. We get them used to sending listings. They're looking at them and they actually like it then, and then we're taking it away from them. So So it really, the concept of the psychological aspect of that really helps us from that perspective as well. So